Teachers have notified the government of their intention to embark on an indefinite strike starting on Tuesday, citing unresolved grievances and demanding improved working conditions and a salary increment. Sanapenda mashoko ari kunokwazve vadzidzisi maticha panguva ino aiwa voti takumbonostrika zvedu kuti subscribe like on the bell icon tipi namubudanirwa muchinzi teachers under the Federation of Zimbabwe Educators Union for ZEU are demanding a salary of 1.250 per month. The umbrella body brings together the amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, Education Union of Zimbabwe, Professional Educators Union of Zimbabwe, and the Zimbabwe Visually Impaired Teachers Union. They held a meeting in Harare on Wednesday where they resolved to down tools. Teachers have been bemoaning poor working conditions and low salaries over the year. They say the National Joint Negotiating Council NC is failing to yield results in terms of reaching an amicable agreement over their grievances. In a letter dated May 21, 2025, addressed to Primary and Secondary Education Minister Torerai Moyo, FOZEU Secretary General Obed Masarure, who is also the leader of the ARTUZ, said the union would pursue legal avenues to ensure the rights of its members were respected. In quotes, we write to notify you that the Federation of Zimbabwe Educators Union has called for a strike effective May 26, 2025, Masaraure said in the letter. Ndomashoko atiri kuona panguva ine zvadhakwa vadzidzisi voti we're going to down tools, but toona zvakamboitika kuUZ tikaona kuti malecturers vakatanga kunzi aiwa ndokureplace aitotsvaka vamwe. Right now tiona zviitika kuvadzidzisi, we do not know kuti the government ichazvitora sei, ichaimplementa mastrategies api ekuresolve this issue. Notiri kuonekwa kunzi vadzidzisi panguva ino tinangoti macivil servants vari kuonekwa kunzi they are being disadvantaged nekuda kwetheregime. It is sideline them, vari kuonekwa sevasiri vanhu. Tudze mafungiro aimbo tikudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu, musubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.